we will study about geometry practice set 1.2. Now let's see first example. Question number 1 is decide whether the pair of segments are congruent or not. First example is given there, segment DE and segment AB. Now when two segments are congruent if their length is equal. Now if the length is equal then two segments are congruent. If length is not equal then two segments are not congruent. Now we will see that this pair is congruent or not. Now first it is given coordinate of point D is -7, coordinate of E is 9, coordinate of A is -3 and coordinate of B is 5. Now first we will find distance DE. Formula: bigger coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Now here bigger coordinate is 9 minus smaller coordinate is -7. 9 plus 7 16 means length of DE is equal to 16. This will be equation 1. Now next we will find distance AB. Distance AB is equal to bigger coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Now here coordinate of A is -3, coordinate of B is 5, means bigger coordinate is 5 minus -3, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, means length of AB is equal to 8, equation 2. Now this is your equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now see here length of DE is 16 unit and length of AB is 8 unit. Their length is not equal. Therefore length of DE is not equal to length of AB from 1 and 2. Therefore segment DE is not congruent to segment AB. In this way we have to say decide that the pair of segments are congruent or not. Now question number 2. Point M is the midpoint of segment AB. If AB is equal to 8 then find length of AM. Now see this is segment AB and M is the midpoint of this segment, means AM is congruent with MB. Now M is the midpoint of segment AB, so we can write length of AM is equal to half length of AB is equal to half into length of AB is given 8, half of 8 is 4. Therefore length of AM is 4 unit. Question number 2 and 3 both questions are same, so we will start now question number 4. In question number 4, if AB is equal to 5 cm, BP is equal to 2 cm, AP is equal to 3.4 cm and we have to compare the segments now. Now see bigger length is 5, means 5 is greater than 3.4 is greater than 2. Now 5 means what? This is segment AB, means length of AB greater than length of AP greater than length of BP. Now AB means this is segment AB is greater than segment AP is greater than segment BP. Now in this way we can find the comparison between the segments. Now let's start question number 5. Now in question number 5 line is given and you have to write the answers. Questions are given. First question is write the name of opposite ray of ray RP. Now see, this is ray RP, then opposite ray of ray RP is, you can write ray RS or ray RT. Means opposite ray of ray RP is ray RS. Next, second number question, intersection of ray PQ and ray RP. Now see, first ray PQ means this much part is there, ray PQ, and ray RP means this, and you have to write intersection set of ray PQ and ray RP. Intersection means what? Set of common elements. Now in this common element is this ray PQ. So the answer of second number is ray PQ. Third number is union set of ray PQ and ray QR. Now see, ray PQ, this much part is there, ray PQ. Ray QR means from here to this part will be ray QR, and union means what? Set of all elements are called as union. So that union will be line TQ. Next, state the rays of which segment QR is a subset. Now first we will see segment QR. Now this part is segment QR. Then state the rays of which segment QR is a subset. Then that answer you can write ray QR and ray RQ. Ray QR and ray RQ. Next, pair of opposite rays with common endpoint R. Now endpoint R, opposite rays we have to write, means you can write pair ray RP and ray RS, or second pair you can take ray RQ and ray RT. Any one pair can be written there. Ray RP and ray RS. Ray RP and ray RS. Next, two rays with common endpoint S. Then we can write there common endpoint S means ray SR and ray ST. Next, intersection set of ray SP and ray ST. Now ray SP means from this part to this much is ray SP. Next, ray ST means from here to this part. Then intersection means what? Set of common elements. Then common element is their point P. Now let's start question number 6. Number line is given and you have to write the answers of the following questions. Now see, first question is given points equidistant from point B. Now see, this is point B. Then point which are equidistant from point B is first pair point C and point A. Second pair is given there point D and point P. So first pair point C and point A. Second pair is point D and point P. Next, question number 2 is we have to write points which are equidistant from point Q. Now see point Q. Then first pair will go point U and point L. Second pair point R and point P. Now third question is there, find the distance. Now first question, after that distance UV. Now coordinate of U is not given, but coordinate of Q is -4 and coordinate of R is -6. So coordinate of U is -5. Now here also coordinate of V is not given, but C coordinate is 4 and coordinate of D is 6. So coordinate of V is 5. So distance UV we have to find now. Bigger coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Now bigger coordinate is 5 minus -5, then 5 plus 5, answer will be 10 unit. Means distance UV is 10 unit.